So what is a case? And that you should understand before you start writing a case. Okay? Think about three core elements of a case. Okay? A case is real. I mean, I said it's not a story, it is real because it's something, somewhere, sometime that happened in actual history. So you have a decision maker, you have a set of problems that they faced, and how they arrived at a solution. So realism is what makes a case as an effective teaching tool. Okay? You sit in a classroom and you're saying, this is not a cock and bull story, this is something that happened, and this is what a manager had to decide. At some point in time, I may have to make a similar decision in the future. So realism is what we bring through a case. And second, it is empiricism, or what I call data. You sort of look at real data in real time and say, this is how the data is, how do I make sense of the data, and how do I use the data to make an appropriate decision. In most cases, you will see the ambiguity. Ambiguity in the sense you don't have all the data that you need. And managerial decision is like that. You have to work with ambiguity, things that seemingly you can go either to the right or to the left, but you have to make a decision. So those are the things that make a case interesting, real data. Number two, originality. I mean, a lot of times people think about, yeah, I saw a case of XYZ, now I can write a same set of case with the ABC. Not worth your time. Think about something that you can bring an original concept, or something that you can teach with the particular case, something new ideas. Because business is an evolving field. Every time there is something new things new ideas that are brought to the table, it's a great opportunity for us to bring that to the classroom. So think of some way, how can I make this case original, right? Or you might think about original context. It might be a lot of time you are sitting in a classroom in India, you are using Walmart, and you're sort of wondering, oh my God, Walmart has a fantastic fleet structure. So is that what gives an advantage to a firm? In India, it might be you don't have a good road, and even if you had a great fleet structure, it doesn't help. Okay? So understanding or creating context-specific cases can be a fantastic innovation. So what is the original? Is it a concept or is it the context? Okay? It is a novelty that makes your case for somebody to take it and use it. So think of originality. And the third one is, what is the theory here? Right? I mean, you have a story, you have a problem, and you have a solution. Now, what one company decides to do does not make it a theory. So you'll have to think about, okay, in order to make this decision, what else, do I have an empirical support, or do I have some conceptual background to build this decision-making process? So that's what makes a case different from a journal article. A journalist does not have to worry about what is the theory, but you have to worry about what is the theory. Because you are teaching this in a classroom, and students have to understand that what the management decides is not necessarily the right solution, but the underlying process, what you are trying to outline or establish in the classroom, is what the students should take away from. Okay? So think about realism, think about originality, think about theory. This is what makes a case.